And the last announcement is we need to congratulate Gia because Gia posted a screenshot today and she got a 15% conversion rate on one of her ads. So
thank you. Can you believe it? 15%, guys. I don't even know how this happened.
Of the real kind of conversions, I'm guessing.
Exactly, the real kind. I got
Wow.
so many leads. I got up to 40 leads from this. I think it was just this campaign. I don't know. It was the other one as well that I optimized. So, that was crazy.
Congratulations.
I
Okay,
didn't
let's
see
all
that.
give her a clap together. Well done, Gia. Well done.
Thanks, guys.
Oh man, you see this stuff? I need to take a snippet of this video and I need to put it on the community page because this is what it's about. This is about helping entrepreneurs figure out their ads and then making them smile. You shouldn't be on this call. You should be with your customers.
They don't know. They don't have time to actually answer the emails and the messages and everything. They just like,
Okay.
what do we do?
All right, cool. So I am super proud of you. I wanted to congratulate you. And I know this is only the beginning. As you keep on applying what's in the course, as you keep on doing well, you will do better and better and better. So don't worry about it. It's just a stepping stone. We need to talk about qualifying your clients as well and sorting that sort of stuff out. But it's a great result and I'm very happy for you.
Thank you. Yes, that's very true.
Right. Cool. So my announcements are out of the way.